I just wanted to give a little update on the status of the deck project. As you can see, a good portion of the decking is installed. Here we have the roof over the deck that we've installed. We're going to be installing fascia and soffit this weekend. Give you a look underneath. Look outside here. You're going to be putting siding up here, and of course the gutter on down here. And as you can see, we've got the grilling area done. This roof we had to assemble and then put on top of it, of the structure, so that was fun. That was probably about 150 pounds. Took 3 of us. And that's about it for now. I'll give you another update this weekend. You can see we also got the furniture. We got the furniture back up here. I just want to get an update as to what's going on with the deck project. Got some railing up here, getting some posts up here. The other part is done, the roof. Downspouts installed, and gutters installed. Got this done. Got paneling installed here, and almost all of the Trex is installed. Got the table back up here. And grilling area is all complete. Okay, here's another update on the deck. Got the steps. Everything is pretty much done here. Railings installed. Underneath here, this is installed header plate. The lattice, getting some doors installed here, lattice down along here, the railing is installed all up along here, steps still need to be done, lattice over here. And there's going to be lattice on the outside. Let's walk around there. A little muddy out here. Lattice is installed underneath there. You can see the railing is all done. The corner is installed here. Everything is pretty much back up on the deck. I have a new umbrella here. And we've got the grills here. Little grilling station. Hey, Randy. And everything's pretty much good over here. And we got some lights up here. That's about it.